This is Gyeon Bathe Plus. It's the world's first silica-based shampoo, which will give you great hydrophobicity and gloss, and all of this in one bottle. Let's see how it works. There are 3 methods to use this magic in a bottle. The first method is to add 20 milliliters of the product into your bucket, wash your car and rinse it. It will add great gloss and hydrophobicity to your car. There are 2 other methods to add even more craziness. So to add hydrophobicity, you take 2 pumps of the product, put it on your wash mitt and spread it over the panel. Rinse immediately and you have great hydrophobicity boost. My personal preference of Bathe Plus is when you have finished washing your car, you add a small amount of product in your foam gun, add about 4 fingers of water, do 1 pass of foam around the car, give it 15 seconds to settle, rinse and watch the magic happen. My pro tip on this product would be never let the product sit too long on the paintwork, rinse it immediately and don't use it in direct sunlight or on hot panels. Good luck.